Hey, Greg Jeffries, and in this video I want to talk about how to integrate ClickFunnels with your Mailchimp autoresponders. So integrating ClickFunnels with any type of integration, especially with autoresponders, is pretty much the same. You follow the same steps. You just come up here under Account and then Integrations, and then you'll select your find and select your integration here. So for Mailchimp, you'll just select Mailchimp. If you have multiple accounts, then you can you just give them a special name to better organize and identify them quickly. But one thing I want to mention about Mailchimp with affiliate marketing and internet marketers is that they clearly state in their frequently asked questions and terms and services that they are not affiliate marketing friendly. Now that doesn't mean that you can't promote things as an affiliate. Obviously, the whole point of sending out emails is to build a relationship, but ultimately for the marketers to make money. And a lot of times you're promoting other people's products, which that's cool with Mailchimp, but basically what they're stating is that they don't want their proxies or servers or whatever to be kind of beat up so badly by all these spam complaints, spam requests, because a lot of times people unsubscribe or they label marketers as spam and stuff, emails that come through, because a lot of people, they're just starting out, they're learning the ropes of how to market effectively, and they're not very good at marketing and email marketing and stuff. And so they want to they have very high deliverability rates, which is unfortunate, because obviously we as marketers, we want to be in our customers' inboxes and our subscribers' inboxes. We want to show up. So just that's one thing to remember, that they're not really affiliate marketing friendly, or the affiliate marketing friendly in the sense of if you're coming in and you're just going to have people opt in to your email list for a free report, and then you're just going to hit them up every day or every week or every month with like, buy this, try this, new affiliate product that's launching. They're not cool with that at all. But if you send them valuable content and then every once in a while you recommend a product, then I believe they'll be cool with that. Or if you just promote things in a non-hypey way, then I think they'll be cool with that. But just that's one thing to keep in mind when if you're considering Mailchimp, because it is a very simple, easy to use autoresponder, and it's kind of sucks that they're not affiliate marketing friendly. But that's you can still use them and promote things as affiliate, but that's one thing to keep in mind. Another alternative to Mailchimp that also has a lot of cool automation built into it is called ConvertKit. I'm not subscribed to ConvertKit yet, but I'm very tempted to switch here pretty soon. I currently use GetResponse, but ConvertKit's just, I'm a sucker for great design mixed with, great tools and great resources. So ConvertKit, it's created by Nathan Barry, I believe, who has a design background. Obviously, you can see this is very well designed, and it's just a cool tool. So it's basically an autoresponder that has a lot of simple automation built into it. So autoresponders can do pretty much the same things that ConvertKit can do, except ConvertKit just does it in a simpler way. So it's a lot more user-friendly, intuitive, newbie-friendly. So it's got a lot of, you can hyper segment your list by taking having them by the actions that they take, and it's just easier than and it has works similar. It has a similar simplicity to it, similar to Mailchimp. So that's an alternative, for Mailchimp. But that's how to hook up Mailchimp to your ClickFunnels account. And then once you do that, it's very simple. You just come here to once you create your funnels, you can select what type of funnel you want, and then if it has an opt-in form, obviously you want to add that person to a particular email list. To do that, it's very simple. You just open up your page that opt-in funnel is on, or that opt-in form is on, and then you'll just need to make sure that this email tab has a little check mark on it, and that you're integrated with this particular opt-in form. So you'll want to select, if you have Aweber, Mailchimp, and some other integrations, you want to select that particular autoresponder integration here that you want to add that person to, and then click add to campaign, and then select the list. If you have multiple lists within that autoresponder account, you just select the list you want them to add them to, make sure and click save, and then you'll be good to go. But just make sure to test it out with a couple of emails to make sure that everything is being added to your list and autoresponder the way you want it. So hopefully that answers your questions. If you aren't already a Clickfunnels member, there should be a link somewhere around this page, or a video that you can go ahead and get plugged in. If you click that link and create your free 14-day trial account, then that's going to get plugged in. That's going to get you plugged in under my referral link. And if you decide to remain a member, what I want to throw in as my bonus and way of saying thank you is my Evergreen Empire membership site. So this is something that's hosted on Clickfunnels. This is another feature and benefit that Clickfunnels provides. And what you're going to get inside this training is my core evergreen marketing strategy. So if you are able to master just one of these, you can be very, very well off. If you're able to master all 4 of these, then you're pretty much going to be set for life. You're just going to be, it's going to be a lot easier to adapt, because things do adapt and evolve, and you have to kind of pivot every couple of years online. But these core things, if you understand these and how these work, then you're always going to be able to effortlessly adapt as those changes take place. So those things are list building, product creation, SEO for video and websites, and then some paid marketing strategies. So if you understand these things, then it's going to set you up for success, especially with using a tool like Clickfunnels, because Clickfunnels is an amazing tool. But if you don't know what you're doing with it, and it's it's very intuitive, it's very newbie friendly, but still, if you don't have any clue of how awesome it is and why it's so awesome, then it's not going to have much value to you. So that's why I want to give you this bonus that's going to show you a bunch of different ways that you can basically use this tool, and why you'll have the training here, and you can take that training and take that information that you'll learn inside these modules and use it with your Clickfunnels tools. It's a great tool. This is probably the #1 tool that I recommend for all marketers. And so hopefully you found this video helpful. If you got some value out of it, I encourage you to give it a thumbs up or share it with others. Again, this is Greg Jeffries, and thanks so much for watching.